Here we go, 8.71 to the nearest whole number. So how do we round? Well, here's where we want to round to. So whatever they say, if they say the nearest 10th, 100, whatever, they said the nearest whole number. So we start at the whole number. We look at the digit to the right, okay? Is this digit 5 or greater? Yes. That means this guy jumps up to the next one, which is close to, which is 9. And everything else flips to 0, all the way down. So our closest integer round to its near whole number is 9. And it makes sense too, because 8.71, it can either go up to 9 or down to 8. What is it closer to? It's closer to 9. So that's why we do it. Now we're rounding to the nearest hundredth. So 0.598. Where's the 100 spot? Right here. Okay. So we look at this digit. Is it 5 or greater? Yes. So it knocks this one up. But what goes up above 9? Well, it's 10. So that becomes a 0. But that also knocks this guy up to 60. So our answer is 0.60, strangely.